Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a small 8 at 8 lots, but believe it or not, there are 65 items in this box. Can we make money on it? I spent about $160, and so each item is about $2.50 a piece. So we're gonna see, it's supposed to be all brand new. Can I send some to Amazon? Can I post some on hookedonpickin.com? A lot of it we'll try to post on hookedonpickin.com. So let's get in this box and see what kind of fun we have. All right. I think this is supposed to be some clothing items, but that's a lot of items for a small little box. Okay, so this is like an intimates box. So what are these? These are double scoop. These are inserts for a bra or a dress or a swimsuit. So that's what these are. These are great because they're already in boxes, and I may be able to send them to Amazon, and they've got barcodes.
Yeah.
So.
Are these for prom, basically?
They're just extra added support, I think. So we've got a bunch of those. So we're just gonna make a stack over here of these. And then we've got some other things. So.
Multiples.
Yeah, multiples is always good. Here's a $40 pair of underwear. So I'm going to try to scan most of this and send it to Amazon because these smaller intimate items, as long as it's brand new, I will send it. Now, I only paid $2.50 for each item. So if it's questionable, we're just going to chuck it because it's intimate. So we don't want to even deal with that. This one is a good size bra. So this is a 40 double D. Let's flip it that way.
Pretty cool. They still got their.
Yeah, they have the original barcodes and tags on them.
That's an Amazon tag right here.
Yeah,
right there.
It's the ASIN.
Yep. What we think is happening is this is Amazon overstock.
Yes.
Is what happened.
So it's not that it's ever been returned to somebody. It's basically been sitting on the Amazon shelf and nobody ever bought it. And so to make room for other items, Amazon basically gets rid of their overstock.
Or like that box over there, they updated their box.
Yeah, so new
and
packaging.
Don't like the new box,
okay, we have a ton of whatever these are. Bra converting clip. Oh, I've seen these advertised on TV. So if you've got a bra strap that's always in the way or falling down or whatever, you can basically turn your bra. It's these little clips here. Just fell off the bottom. They basically turn it into a razorback bra. And so these are really handy. I guess that was supposed to be stuck right there. But we have a blue million of these. So
it could be good or it could be bad.
It depends on how much they're worth. So we're going to look them up. See, we have a whole bunch. What is this? This is a Belly Bandit. This is a suck it in so you look thinner. Here, this is a good, kind of shows you. This is size large.
Muffin topology?
Muffin topology. Look what they call it.
The Mother Tucker nursing compression tank? Oh, it's for maternity?
I guess so. Oh, so this is after you have a baby. It's basically compression. It helps with a lot of that pain and for you to heal faster. So, nice. All right, more of these things. The bra, it's called a bra converting clip is what they call it on this piece of paper. Ooh, one of them flew out. Oh, thank you. All right. Guess the sticky tape on the little packaging wasn't as good.
That might be why that came off the shelf, too.
Could be. All right. We've got another bra here. It doesn't say what size.
You want to take them out of their bag?
Yeah, this one we can. That one I want to leave in because it's... Oh, no, this is this is a whole compression bodysuit. This is a small petite, or small, size small. But it's got the ribbing here to pull in everything. So
still got the barcode.
Still got the barcode. Nice. So that's a nice size small compression bodysuit. Then we have this one. I can get into it. This one, same. This is like a tank top. Chico's size 00, $39 originally. So these would be like tank tops you would wear underneath a dress to kind of get rid of those lines and stuff. So it kind of keeps everything smooth. Oh, this one is neat. This is a 42C curvy bra. I'm going to leave it in this because this is the actual original packaging. But we can do the barcode right there. But this is a 42C. Anytime you see a bra that is size 40 or larger for the number and size C or larger for the cup size, you're going to be able to sell it for pretty decently good money. Generally speaking, $20 or more, some even up to $50 or $60. So we have another one here that's the exact same bra I just pulled out, 42C, same size. So we'll try to post some of these on Amazon, or some of these on hookedonpickin.com, and then we're going to see what we can send to Amazon and try to get some to move that way. Hey, it's a compression belt. It's a back brace.
Yeah.
Nice. I don't know what size it is. We'll have to measure it to see if we can figure out the size. All right, cool. Then here's another one. This one is, I don't know what size it is yet. These bags are being difficult for me. But the nice thing about these kind of clothing items is it's originally a $42 bra, this one here. And this one is a 38B, so not a horrible small size. The reason why I stray away from small sizes is simply because you can buy them really, really cheap at any basic store. So a lot of people that wear size A will generally go to like the Walmarts and the Targets and get them for relatively cheap. It's the larger sizes that people are pretty particular with the brands and the sizing. So this is another compression bodysuit. That's the back. Hold on. Oh, it's a miracle suit. We've sold some of these bathing suits. Maybe this is the back. It's a size large. And yes, there's the tag.
Does it have a price on it or no?
I don't see a price.
No price?
No. Miracle swimsuits we always sold for really good money, though.
Yeah, we have.
So we'll scan it, find out. Okay, then we've got... This is a pretty one. It's a pretty purple and bluish kind of lacy one. $45, 38C is the cup size, is the size of the bra. And this one is Olga is the name brand, but it's a padded underwire. All right, what is this? Lavender. I almost want to scan that to see if I can just pull out the picture because it's put in there so perfectly. Mm-hmm. I don't really want to.
3X.
Yeah.
That's good size.
So whatever it is.
Robe?
It almost looks like a robe, yeah. Because it looks like it's got the belts and stuff with it. So I think you're right. I think it is a robe. Let's scan that barcode. Yep, that's exactly what it is.
Yeah. It's a high sales rank in clothing, but a lot of clothing doesn't even have a sales rank. So.
It's a 3X too, so that'll sell good. All right, this is a pair of maternity bell. 2 pair of underwear for maternity. Then we've got 6-pack of, this doesn't look like a 6-pack. 6 packs of ladies. Oh, these are hankies. So yeah, there are 6 of them in here.
Ladies handkerchiefs?
Yeah, ladies handkerchiefs. I know people even still use these. Yeah, it's a 6-pack of white ladies handkerchiefs.
There you go.
Little lacy ends on it.
Kind of clever.
That is clever. All right, these are 36C. There you go, a whole pack of them. They're all the same kind. They're all underwire padded bras. Looks like you get 2 that are flesh color, 1 black. You get a stripe in burgundy, plain burgundy, and a white one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8-pack of, and I said they were 36C. 36C. And they come with the detachable straps. Oh, here's a corset. Want to go back to the Renaissance and wear these all the time, ladies? So, what size is this one? This is a size 6. Size 6 corset. No, another one of these boxes of. Oh, these are cool. So those are actually extenders for a bra. So let's say you bought a size 40-inch bra and you needed a 42. You just pretty much just use that, and it's like a double extender with the clips to make it a little bit longer. So those are handy. All right, here's another large pack. This is size 34 double D, and you got a bunch of different colors. So it looks like maybe 6 or 8 in there. I don't really want to take it out of the bag because they're going to be all everywhere. But they do have barcodes right there. Well, maybe we will, because I think they each have individual barcodes. So we'll just take it out.
You think they're sold as a pack, though? Or?
They're probably sold as a pack, but those are all the colors you get. So if you do not have a lot of space in your reselling space, you can always choose to do something like this. Intimates, health and beauty products, stuff like that that doesn't take up a lot of space. Small toys, that's always a good option for you as a reseller, is to buy things that are small. All right, this is women's undershirt. Comes in its own little bag.
Neat.
Yeah.
It is its own little bag.
It is its own little canvas bag. All right, this is a halter sports bra. So instead of having 2 straps, it's got 1. And it looks like it goes from size 32 to 36, and it goes from a C to a triple D. So that's pretty typical with a sports bra. It gives a range of how it fits you. And then one more thing in the box. We went through those 65 items fairly quickly.
Yeah, there was a lot of duplicates.
Yeah. So what we're probably going to do is we're going to definitely price everything, let you know where we're going to put everything. We may even scan some stuff to Amazon. So this is, I don't know what this is, Feather Light. Get barely there. Oh, it's a super padded black bra size B. This is just in a little, it's in a weird container. Are these like the ones without straps? This one might be the kind without straps. Like if you're wearing a fancy dress, like the ones you just stick on, I guess. Yeah. All right. So we'll look it up. We're going to scan everything, let you know, are we going to put it on hookedonpickin.com? Are we going to put it on Poshmark? Are we going to put it on eBay? Are we going to send it to Amazon? And so stay tuned. We'll be right back with all that info. All right, so we've got all the prices. Everything is listed on hookedonpickin.com. If you click the clothing portion under the shop, so you just go straight to Hooked on Pickin, you'll see this screen here. And if you go down to clothing, you'll find all of the newest clothing items that we have just listed right there. And so we're going to go through how much everything is, and if you want to buy it, you can go right to hookedonpickin.com. I also have it listed on eBay and Poshmark as well, and so you can check there as well. But so we have the Hollywood Fashion Secrets bra converting clip. This is super handy if you want to change your bra from a regular to a razor back. So it just clips just like this. It comes in a little cute little package like that. $9.99 is all we're asking, and the colors do include all 4 counts. So it says color black, but it comes with black, white, and both of the clear. And so there's that for $9.99. Then you'll also you can also purchase the push-up bra pads. They're insert breast enhancers. $9.99. They come in this cool nifty box. It brings you up to a C cup if you were an A cup, so it will adjust the bra size. So $9.99 for those. We have quite a few of those in stock. Then we only have one of everything else I'm going to mention. So this is the Olga Women's Flirty Lace Lift Underwear Bra, and so it's a 38C. It is purple, and so you can get that as well. Then we have a Giovanni satin robe, plus size, 3/4 sleeve with a matching sash or belt, and it is the short length, and it is lavender, and it's a 3X. So $19.99 is what it will be. $19.99 for this beautiful silk robe, and you'll be able to get that on hookedonpickin.com as well as Poshmark and eBay. So if you like those other 2 platforms, you can find it there as well, and so that's a good price for that. Then we have a younger maternity belly band for $19.99. It is size small, and you're going to get both of these belly bands, tan and black, and so you have the black one and the tan one that is included in this 2-piece set. for $19.99. Then we have the 8-pack of strapless push-up convertible padded sports bras. It is a 38C, and so you can wear it strapless like this, but it does have the option of adding straps for a halter or a regular strap. So this clip can go here, or you can just connect one straight across for a halter style. And so flexible options there. You get 8 total bras for $39.99 for that size 36C. Then we have the curvy shapewear women's underwear body slimmer with hidden bra. So it does have a built-in bra in it. $19.99, size 42C. It is white in color, 42C. Then last but not least, we have the bralette halter. It is very comfortable. You can be size 32 to 36, and you can be size C to triple D. $14.99, great with tank tops and things like that. So it kind of shows you the front and the back. All right, we're going to go to what the prices were and what we are sending to Amazon as well, because as you notice, we took more out of the box than what I showed here. So we're going to go ahead and go to our Amazon stuff. All right, now we're going to go to the 13 different items that I sent to Fulfillment by Amazon, which means I send it to the warehouse, it's still under my account, and Amazon fulfills it for me. I pay them fees in order to process that. But part of the reason that I sent these items is basically because they had a really good sales rank, and I know I sell it faster on Amazon, or it was a size that was really little, and generally I don't sell those sizes on my other platforms, eBay, Poshmark, and Hooked on Pickin. Or it was worth way more money than I know that I was willing to charge on some of the other platforms, so I'd rather sell it on Amazon. So we're going to go ahead and go to all of our Amazon items. So we have this rosette women's sleeve undershirt that we sent to Amazon. And I'm going to give you the total of what we made on Amazon at the very end. Then we have this new bra Featherlight Super Padded Light Adhesive Bra. We have a Gratlin Women's Full Cup Lightly Padded Wire-Free Maternity Breastfeeding Nursing Bra. We have a Belly Bandit Mother Tucker Nursing Tank. I have to say that very slowly. A Miracle Suit Shapewear Women's Back Magic Extra Firm Torset Thigh Slimmer. Then we have the Warner Women's, this is not a bra, full coverage underwire bra. The Luxy Looks Waist Trimmer Women's Tummy Tucker Steel Boned Corset plus size. We have the Mamiya Women's Full Cup Push-Up Lace Bras, pack of 6. We have the 6-pack of ladies embroidery cotton handkerchiefs with the white border there. Then we have the Spanx Encore Panty Shapewear, a tummy control compression bodysuit. We have the Clothes Secret Women's Nylon Bra Extender multi-size strap extension, and it comes with those 3 colors. We have the Bally Women's Double Support Cotton Wire-Free Bra. And last but not least, the Chico Women's Contemporary Stretch Microfiber Scoop Neckline Layering Tank Top. So you will not find any of those on the platforms that I mentioned before. How much did we make? Well, we made, in Fulfillment by Amazon, after fees, we will make $328 for those 13 items. They were super fast to list. You can see why I like to do Amazon. And we definitely made more than double our money just on the Amazon items alone, not to mention the things that you can purchase on hookedonpickin.com. So hopefully you found this unboxing interesting, and of course remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.